All right, so here I want to just show you how to scale your velocity graph. Okay, so once you type in your y equals mx, okay, with whatever your slope was, okay, it's probably going to look something like this, all right? But you need to be able to draw your displacement, okay? So you're going to need to scale this. And since there's no table, there's no little magic button over here. All right, so you're going to have to go into the wrench, and then you're going to have to scale this. So I might go like -1, to 6. Let's see how that looks, okay? And then see what happens, okay? Because I need to be able to see up to about 5 seconds, okay? But now this looks too little. So now if I know it's about, this slope is probably around 10-ish or 11, for most of you 9, somewhere in there. I want to maybe go up to about 60. So if I just go maybe like -5 to 60 here, right? So do you see it's going to change that slightly, which is fine. And then I can just kind of move this however I want it. Okay, so make sure when you get your screenshot, right, you probably want to do your time up until whatever your last time was. Okay, and for most of you, it's probably around 5. But look, if you go like this on the graph, right, and I'm just holding down the mouse, I can see what that point was. Okay, so when I go to do my area calculation, right, so you see 5 right here, mine is 546. Okay, so if you want to put a little point over here, you could do that, of that point. Do you see? And that'll mark it, and then you'll know where to draw your triangle. Okay, so whatever your last time was, right? So like if your last time was like 3.6 or 4 or whatever, just mark that on like that, so that then you can draw this, and then you can shade in this triangle. Okay, all right, so as a wrap up, put this equation, go to the wrench, okay, do it something around like -1 to 6, and the y-axis about -5 to 60, and that should give you enough range to be able to see your graph better. Okay, so when you screenshot it, make sure you screenshot it like this with your labels, time in seconds, velocity in meters per second. Okay, and then actually on Classkick, you can draw this line and then you can shade it in. Okay, hopefully that helps.